As the saying goes, what's yours is yours, but what's someone else's is also yours if they can snag it. Protecting your trusty two-wheeler is vital in a world where bike theft is a common sport. Enter the realm of bike locks, your bicycle's best friend in keeping those sticky fingers at bay. From high-tech gadgets to classic chains, we're diving into the best bike locks that will have thieves scratching their heads. Ready to lock it down? Let's roll. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. YOHOOLYO Alarm Disc Lock, our pick for best budget bike lock. If you're tired of leaving your prized ride out in the open, just waiting for a would-be thief to make a move, then get ready to meet your new best buddy, the YOHOOLYO Alarm Disc Lock. This isn't just any ordinary lock, it's a fortress in disguise. Crafted entirely from sturdy metal, it's as tough as nails and just as durable. With a heart-pounding 110 decibel alarm that could wake the dead, any would-be thief won't just think twice, they'll think 20 times before even approaching your bike. The 7mm locking pin rotates a full 360 degrees, letting you secure your ride no matter how intricate the wheel design is. But wait, there's more. This bad boy isn't just alarm happy. It boasts a motion sensor that gives you 5 seconds to strut away confidently once it's locked. It's built to resist rust and weather, so feel free to bike through rain or shine without a care in the world. And because we know life can get hectic, this lock comes with a whopping 6 internal batteries and 6 backups. Plus, you'll receive a handy carry pouch, an Allen wrench for easy disassembly, and 2 security keys. Because who doesn't love a little redundancy? Your bike deserves protection that's as bold as your adventures. Don't just lock it up with a bang. Number 4. Kryptonite Keeper 785, our pick for best chain bike lock. If you're navigating the theft-prone streets of Portland, you know that securing your bike is non-negotiable. Enter the Kryptonite Keeper 785, a trusty sidekick that balances solid protection with prices that won't hurt your wallet. This 7mm chain lock might look a bit dainty with its slender square-profiled links, but don't be fooled. It's designed to give bolt cutters the runaround, increasing your bike's odds of staying where you left it. Plus, its durable nylon cover keeps your bike looking as sharp as you do on those urban adventures. With a generous length of 85 centimeters, you can loop it around both wheels and maybe even snag a fancy accessory or two. And if you're prone to losing keys, fear not. The Kryptonite Key Safe program has your back, ensuring you can snag a spare whenever you need it. In the unfortunate event that your bike decides to take a permanent vacation, their insurance program offers a comforting safety net. As you ride around town, remember a few bike locking tips. Keep that lock off the ground and wrapped snugly around your ride to throw potential thieves off their game. Just a heads up, while the Keeper 785 is a champion for daily use, it doesn't like getting damp, so keep the keyhole dry. Still searching for the perfect bike lock? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. CDLock FoldyLock, our pick for best compact bike lock. If you're tired of wrestling with bulky bike locks that might as well be made of lead, say hello to the CDLock FoldyLock, your new 2-wheeled sidekick. Weighing in as one of the lightest folding locks around, it's like a gym membership for your bike. Strong enough to scare off any wannabe thief while still being portable enough to carry without feeling like you're hauling a small car. Crafted from hardened steel cloaked in nylon and glass fibers, this lock is not only anti-theft, it's practically a superhero in disguise. Weather? Bring it on! Rain or shine, it's waterproof, weatherproof, and ready to take on whatever nature throws its way. Plus, with a built-in anti-tamper system, would-be thieves are left scratching their heads and wondering why they even tried. No more fumbling with codes. This beauty comes with a master key and a stylish carrying case, because your lock deserves a better wardrobe too. Open it up to a whopping 33.5-inch chain link circumference, perfect for securing to racks, bars, or anything that looks remotely rideable. And let's not forget the premium frame mount, because who doesn't love a quiet ride? Say goodbye to the incessant rattle and hello to a smooth journey. With the CDLock FoldyLock, you'll ride with peace of mind, knowing your bike is as safe as, well, you should be when you're out and about. Number 2. Abus Bordo Granite X-Plus 6500, our pick for best folding bike lock. If you're on a quest to keep your beloved bike safe from the clutches of opportunistic thieves, let me introduce you to the Abus Bordo Granite X-Plus 6500, a folding bike lock that's as sturdy as it is stylish. Say goodbye to flimsy locks and hello to 5.5mm steel bars forged from special hardened steel that scream, "Not today, thief!" With a soft touch coating and a chic silicone lock body cover, this lock not only protects your bike, but also treats it to a little pampering, ensuring its paint stays pristine. And guess what? You won't be fumbling around in the dark looking for your keys. One of the 2 supplied keys sports a handy LED light. Worried about losing your keys? Don't sweat it. The Abus code card means you can order replacements faster than you can say, "locksmith." But wait, there's more. The compact and versatile folding design offers a buffet of locking options, so you can secure your ride in the most creative spots, from lampposts to railings. Why settle for average when you can have a lock that combines top-notch security with effortless convenience? With the Abus Bordo Granite X-Plus 6500, you'll not only lock up your bike, you'll lock in peace of mind. Ride on, knowing that your 2-wheeled companion is guarded by one of the best. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Mini, our pick for best bike lock overall. If you're tired of feeling like your bike is an easy target for thieves, then the Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Mini U-Lock is your new best friend. It's not just a lock, it's your bike's personal bodyguard, crafted from 18mm hardened max performance steel that scoffs at cutting tools and leverage attacks. This isn't your average flimsy lock, it's a fortress for your 2-wheeled treasure. The patented locking system is like a double-shot espresso for security, featuring a hardened double deadbolt that's practically begging thieves to try their luck. Plus, with a steel sleeve over the crossbar, you've got double the defense and a disc-style cylinder that's resistant to picking and drilling. Thieves might as well be trying to crack a safe in a cartoon. But wait, there's more. This lock isn't just for your bike, it's like the Swiss Army knife of security. Use it to secure everything from your sports gear to those pesky grill thieves lurking in your backyard. And did we mention the Key Safe program? Lose your keys and Kryptonite will rush your first 2 replacements to you at no cost. Just register your unique key code on their website and you're all set. So lock up your bike and breathe easy, knowing that the Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Mini U-Lock has got your back, because your bike deserves the best and you deserve peace of mind. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best bike locks. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which bike lock you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.